Wondering how Tropicana forms sun-kissed oranges into pure, invigorating juice you sip every morning? Let us move from grove to glass. Everything begins with choosing the best oranges, mostly from the rich fields of Florida and Brazil. Tropicana collaborates with a network of dedicated farmers who grow orange varieties carefully selected for their exceptional juiciness, sweetness, and flavor balance. These oranges, including Valencia, Hamlin, and pineapple varieties, thrive in Florida's sun-drenched climate, where the temperature and soil composition are ideal for citrus production. Tropicana ensures a consistent supply of high-quality fruit year-round, even throughout different harvest seasons, by sourcing from multiple locations. Farmers often utilize drip irrigation systems to give precise amounts of water and nutrients to their trees and produce. This ensures that each orange receives its maximum flavor potential while also helping to conserve resources. Having worked with Tropicana for decades, many of its farmers have upheld a history of sustainability and excellence. Tropicana effectively supports this by investing in environmentally friendly farming practices such as soil health monitoring, biodiversity preservation, and chemical fertilizer avoidance. Before harvesting begins, agronomists inspect the groves to determine when the fruit has reached peak ripeness. Oranges are evaluated for attributes such as acidity, juice yield, and sugar content, measured in Brix. Harvest is limited to those who meet Tropicana's stringent conditions. This ensures that each juice bottle contains the proper balance of tanginess and sweetness, resulting in the taste that consumers like. Tropicana's commitment to quality involves strong collaboration with farmers and agricultural researchers to develop novel citrus cultivation techniques. Farmers can monitor grove health in real time using cutting-edge technologies such as soil sensors and drone photography, ensuring optimal conditions for oranges. These gadgets detect problems such as pests or nutrient shortages before they affect the fruit and aid in forecasting output levels. This proactive strategy ensures that every orange meets Tropicana's high standards for flavor, juiciness, and sustainability. Once the oranges reach optimum ripeness, they are carefully picked and quickly delivered to Tropicana's modern facilities. Harvesting begins early in the morning to take advantage of the lower temperatures, which help to keep oranges fresher longer. Workers, many of whom are seasoned specialists with years of experience, meticulously choose the fruit by using precise tools to avoid shattering the delicate peel. Some plantations use mechanical harvesters that gently shake the trees to transfer completely ripe oranges into padded catch frames, reducing bruising and splitting for increased efficiency. Every orange collected is fresh from the field. Workers discard any fruit that does not meet Tropicana's stringent standards. The picked oranges were carefully stacked in ventilated containers that allowed air movement to prevent rotting during shipping. To maintain the oranges in good condition on the trip to the factory, they are loaded into trucks equipped with temperature-controlled equipment within hours. Tropicana employs cutting-edge logistic technologies to monitor the transportation process and ensure a reliable supply network. GPS technology enables real-time tracking of trucks, generating delivery schedules and condition updates. In addition, built-in temperature monitors ensure that the oranges are fresh and ready for consumption from the moment they arrive at the plant. This attention to detail ensures that every orange retains its natural juiciness and flavor from grove to factory. Tropicana adopts sustainable ways throughout the transportation and harvesting processes to have a low environmental impact. Electric or hybrid trucks are increasingly being used to reduce carbon emissions along the entire route from grove to factory. Tropicana also supports projects that encourage farmers to use environmentally friendly harvesting practices, such as reusable containers and low-impact machinery and tools. These actions not only help to preserve the fruit's flavor, but also demonstrates Tropicana's commitment to protecting the environment for future generations. Upon arrival, every orange is meticulously cleaned and subject to extensive quality inspections. Once the oranges arrive at the Tropicana factory, they are unloaded directly into an initial inspection queue. Advanced sorting machines use high-end cameras and sensors to scan each orange for size, color, and external faults. This automated technique detects even the tiniest faults such as bruises, scars, or discoloration, ensuring that only the best fruit makes it into manufacture. Following the automatic scan, quality control systems manually verify random samples for firmness and juice yield to ensure they meet Tropicana's high standards. Oranges that fail inspection are set aside for other uses, such as animal feed or composting, in accordance with the company's waste reduction philosophy. After being evaluated, the oranges are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, pesticides, and any last signs of orchard contamination. This method uses high-powered water jets and gentle spinning brushes to clean all surfaces without harming the fruit. An antimicrobial rinse increases safety even more. Tropicana adds an extra degree of safety to typical cleaning and inspection processes by using ultraviolet UV light technology. The cleaned oranges are then air-dried and transported down the conveyor belt to the next stage of manufacturing, shining and ready for juice extraction. This revolutionary method removes any remaining bacteria or germs from the surface of the oranges without altering their fundamental properties. Furthermore, in keeping with Tropicana's commitment to sustainability, water used in the washing process is purified and recycled within the plant. Combining cutting-edge technology with environmentally friendly ways ensure the highest quality and safety standards for each orange that moves to the next phase. The oranges are then softly squeezed to extract the pure juice, thus capturing the core of the fresh citrus. The cleaned oranges are fed into advanced extraction machinery, where they are appropriately crushed and cut in half. These gadgets are intended to simulate hand-squeezing motion, thereby increasing juice yield while preserving natural flavor. Tropicana's proprietary extraction technology preserves the naturally sweet and tangy flavor by preventing the oils from the peel from interacting with the juice, hence avoiding any unwanted bitterness. The mechanism divides the juice, pulp, seeds, and peel into multiple streams as oranges are crushed. The pulp is set aside for later use, but the fresh juice is collected in stainless steel vats right away to prevent oxidation. Tropicana's commitment to sustainability and waste minimization is demonstrated by the conversion of any usable byproducts, including the peel, to animal feed or essential oil extraction. At this phase, professionals inspect freshly extracted juice samples to ensure quality. They ensure that the juice meets Tropicana's exact specifications by evaluating factors such as Brix levels, acidity, and flavor profile. After a fast cooling to maintain freshness, the juice advances to the next stage of manufacturing. Every sip of Tropicana orange juice promises a burst of natural flavor thanks to this meticulous extraction procedure. Tropicana's extraction method also incorporates precision pressure technology, which regulates the force use for each orange based on size and freshness. This ensures the best juice output without losing taste. The extraction machines are designed to operate at optimal rates, shortening the time between cutting and juicing and keeping the natural freshness of the orange. Tropicana's commitment to reducing waste is further demonstrated by the rigorous examination of the pulp removed during extraction, which is then used in premium pulp-added products or to produce nutrient-rich animal feed. The juice gets pasteurized and deaerated to guarantee safety and extended shelf life. Pasteurization is an important stage in the process because it protects the juice's natural flavor and nutrients by destroying harmful germs. Tropicana employs a flash pasteurization technology in which the juice is temporarily heated to around 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and then rapidly cooled. This approach ensures that the juice tastes exactly like the oranges from which it was made, reducing the impact on their freshness. The juice is then transferred to deaeration tanks after pasteurization. Deaeration gradually extracts oxygen from the juice to prevent oxidation, which can cause discoloration and taste loss over time. This stage is critical to maintaining the juice's vibrant orange color and fresh flavor, so every glass of Tropicana meets the highest quality standards. Automated systems and technicians continuously monitor the pasteurization and deaeration process. Real-time temperature, pressure, and oxygen level monitoring using sensors ensure batch consistency. Regular taste, texture, and appearance tests on juice samples help to ensure that they fit Tropicana's distinct identity. This attention to detail ensures not just the juice's safety, but also its taste and shelf life. Tropicana's pasteurization technique is optimized to remove any dangerous germs while preserving the highest possible concentration of nutrients, including vitamin C. The juice travels through a closed-loop system, which ensures a sterile environment and prevents contamination during processing. Aside from removing oxygen, the deaeration process stabilizes the delicate taste components that give Tropicana orange juice its freshness, increasing the juice's natural smell. These processes ensure that each bottle delivers not just safety, but also a burst of citrus freshness. The juice is carefully blended and adjusted for consistency to preserve Tropicana's unique taste. Not all oranges are the same. Depending on the season, region, and kind, variations in sweetness, acidity, and flavor may occur. Tropicana's blending technique ensures that these inherent differences are balanced, resulting in a consistent flavor. To create the optimal mixture, they carefully combine juice from the 3 orange varieties, Valencia for sweetness and Hamlin for tanginess. Master blenders or taste specialists sample the juice during the blending process to correct the acidity and sweetness balance. They can use advanced technology to add small amounts of natural orange essence or oils to the juice during the extraction process. These natural ingredients ensure that the juice retains the vibrant, fresh taste that Tropicana is known for. To guarantee consistency across batches, the blending tanks feature automated system monitoring pH levels, Brix, sugar content, and acidity. Every batch's samples are transported to a quality control facility where sensory panels evaluate the smoothness, brightness, and overall flavor harmony. This meticulous procedure ensures that each Tropicana orange juice carton tastes as fresh and delicious as the last. Tropicana's blending technique is a perfect combination of science and art. Master blenders use historical data and advanced analytics to forecast taste differences caused by seasonal or geographical variations in oranges. This allows them to pre-adjust blends to maintain the signature Tropicana flavor. Natural citrus oils extracted during juicing are reintroduced during taste adjustment to enhance smell and flavor. This ensures that regardless of the time of year, every Tropicana orange juice bottle tastes consistent and lively. Finally, the juice is ready for delivery to your local retailer, packed in environmentally friendly containers and kept under ideal conditions. Once the juice has been mixed and polished, it is sent to the packaging stage, where automated bottling lines ensure accuracy and efficiency. Every container is painstakingly packed with just the appropriate amount of juice, eliminating waste and ensuring consistency. Tropicana packs its products with eco-friendly materials, such as recyclable plastic bottles and cartons made from sustainable sources. To maintain freshness, the containers are swiftly sealed with airtight closures that keep the juice flavor and prevent contamination. Nitrogen is sometimes added to containers to replace oxygen before sealing, further lowering oxidation and extending shelf life. Then, high-speed labeling machines apply Tropicana's trademark branding, along with traceability manufacturing dates and batch numbers. Once packed, the juice is transferred to refrigerated storage facilities kept slightly above freezing to preserve its natural freshness. Teams in quality control evaluate random samples from each batch to ensure that the labels are correct, the seals are tight, and the package is complete. The juice is now packed and ready for shipment to shops nationwide, ensuring a continual supply of Tropicana orange juice. Tropicana also incorporates innovative packaging technologies into its operations. QR codes on the containers provide consumers with detailed information on the juice's origins, including the grove from which it was harvested and its journey through the manufacturing process. The company also uses water-saving ways to maintain the bottling lines and ecologically friendly ink for labeling. These innovative concepts promote Tropicana's commitment to sustainability and transparency, while also ensuring the product's quality. Every drop of Tropicana orange juice is a monument to quality, creativity, and care. From sun-kissed groves to your glass. The next time you pour a glass of Tropicana, savor the pure, refreshing taste that comes from decades of experience and dedication to perfection. It's more than just juice. It is the essence of nature, tailored specifically for you. We appreciate you coming behind the scenes to learn about Tropicana orange juice production. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more exciting adventures with your favorite foods and beverages.